To reduce bunion pain and deformity, we need to remove the three causes of bunions, mobilise the big toe, stretch the muscles that pull the big toe in, and strengthen the muscles that pull the toe out. So here's how you do that. Let's start off by removing the three causes of bunions. Shoes with a narrow toe space push the big toe in, so the first step is to always wear shoes with a wide toe box. Even wearing socks with a wider toe space can help, or socks with individual toes. The second cause of bunions is flat feet. When the arch of the foot collapses, the big toe is pushed in. So consider getting orthotics that support the arch, wearing shoes that are designed for pronation support, and I'm going to show you an exercise shortly that helps to support your foot arch. The third cause of bunions is reduced ankle mobility. If our ankles don't flex well, we tend to turn our foot out more when we walk to compensate, and this pushes the big toe inward. So that brings us to our first exercise, ankle mobilisation. We want to increase flexion in the ankle, but especially in the direction that encourages our foot to be straighter when we walk. To do that, put your toes a hand width from a wall, then try to touch your knee against the wall, first directly over the big toe, and then to the outside of the little toe. Repeat this 10 to 20 times, once a day. Rolling up a towel to make a small lift for your toes can help increase big toe extension as you do it. The first exercise we want to do in the foot is to mobilise the big toe. If we do this as our first foot exercise, the next two exercises will be more effective. I find tractioning the big toe makes mobilisation more comfortable and effective. Simply support below the big toe with one hand, then grab down as far as you can with the other hand, traction out, and mobilise the toe in circles. Focus more on the direction of extension because people with bunions tend to have reduced big toe extension. And continue for 1 minute each foot in a pain-free range of motion. This next exercise does 3 or 4 things at once, so if you're a bit short on time, this is the exercise to do. First of all, use an elastic band or a strip of cloth to separate the big toes from the rest of the foot. This stretches the muscles that pull the big toe in. Then with the band in place, do calf raises to strengthen the muscles that support the foot arch. This encourages a straighter toe as we push off in our walk cycle, and it mobilises the big toe into extension as well. Raise up, hold for 5 seconds, and repeat 10 to 20 times until you feel some mild fatigue in the calves. Another way to stretch the muscles that pull the big toe in is to use silicone toe separators, starting at 30 minutes a day. If you can't get a hold of silicone toe separators, simply wind a thin sock between the toes while you watch TV or YouTube at night. Lastly, we want to strengthen the muscles that pull the big toe out. To do this, stand up, raise the toes slightly, press the little toes down and out, and then draw your big toe the other way as much as you can. Put the big toe on the ground and hold that separation for 5 seconds, and then repeat that 10 to 20 times once a day. Anyway, I hope that helps. If you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing, and let me know how you go in the comment section below. Okay, cheers.